In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add currency to your Xero account. Adding currencies in Xero allows you to work with various foreign payments and pricing, which is crucial for businesses operating globally. So, whether you're new to Xero or just need a little guidance on this feature, you're in the right place. First, we need to get you logged into your Xero account. Head over to the Xero login page and enter your email and password. This will take you to your main dashboard where all the accounting magic happens. Now, if you're using multi-factor authentication, don't forget to have your device ready to complete the login process. Once you're in your dashboard, focus on the top bar and look for your company name on the right-hand side. Clicking here will present a drop-down menu. Navigate to Settings from this list. This section is where you can manage various aspects of your account, including organizational settings and, of course, currencies. In the Settings tab, you'll find an option labeled Currencies. Selecting this will take you to a dedicated page for managing the currencies used in your account. You will notice a section titled Add Currency. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you'll be able to choose the currency that suits your needs. Now, a drop-down menu will appear showing a comprehensive list of currencies. Take your time to scroll through the list and select the currency you wish to add. It could be euros, yen, pounds, or any other currency based on the geographical areas your business targets. Once you've made your selection, confirm your choice by clicking Add Currency. Be aware that this action is final. Xero currently does not allow the deletion of a currency once it has been added to your list. So make sure the currency you're setting up aligns with your business needs. Double check before finalizing your choice, as changes can't be reversed. To recap, we logged into Xero, navigated to the settings area by clicking on your company name, chose currencies, and then seamlessly added a new currency. This process unlocks the potential for multi-currency payments within your Xero account, ensuring your business runs smoothly across borders. And that's it. You've successfully added a currency to your Xero account. This small but significant step can greatly enhance your accounting capabilities, particularly if your business deals internationally. Thank you for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, consider